So first I'm delicately ladling the sauce onto the dough, and then I say bump that and dump the container. I gotta go to work in an hour. I ain't got time. Then sprinkle some dry herbs, and then I run out of Italian seasoning, which is what it really was. So just pop that on the rest of the pizza. Saucing, I'm saucing, ooh, I'm chopping. Me and my mom eat both, but I put spinach on the right and onions on the top because my grandma doesn't like spinach and my brother doesn't like onions. Everyone's happy. Now that it's done, I'm gonna add some bacon, some already cooked bacon. Bam, bam, bam. Don't struggle. Yes. 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 Who's at the door? I'm making food porn right now. And yeah, so I let it go back in there for another like 2 minutes. I'm dropping it down on this hot pad on the table. And just look at that. Like, did I just make this? Have I been wasting money potential? Oh my god, look at what I did. Did I do what?
Did you put my bacon on here? Stop using my bacon. Pre-cooked bacon. I'm good.
Yay!
You're almost as good as me.
The chef said it's good.
Oh,
Don't look in our cabinets.
Look at my piece. That sucks.